Have you ever switched payroll providers mid-year and felt completely lost? You've got all this history with your old system, but no clear way to get it into your new one. It's a common problem, and it can feel like a real roadblock when you're trying to get a fresh start with your finances. But what if I told you there was a simple way to bring all that crucial prior payroll history into Wave? That's right, you don't have to start from scratch. Whether you're a new user or you're just bringing payroll in-house for the first time, getting your past data into Wave is essential for accurate year-end reporting, like W-2s and tax filings. This process ensures all your numbers are correct and you stay compliant. Today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. Before we get started, the first thing you'll need is your payroll history from your previous provider. This is your foundation. Think of it as a comprehensive report that lists all the gross wages, deductions, and employer contributions for each employee, all broken down by pay period. You'll want to gather this data for the current year, all the way up to the last payroll you ran with your old system. Once you have that information in hand, it's time to log into your Wave account. Head over to the payroll section. You'll see an option to add a new employee. When you're adding an employee who has prior payroll history, you'll be prompted to enter that information. This is where you'll input those gross wages, taxes, and deductions from your previous reports. Wave provides a clear and intuitive form for each type of earning and deduction. Just enter the numbers for each employee, making sure to match everything precisely. Now, a key point here is to be meticulous. Double-check every single number. An error here can create headaches down the line. Take your time. Once you've entered the data for each employee, you'll review a summary page. This is your final chance to make sure everything looks right before you save the information. After you've saved the prior history, Wave seamlessly integrates this data into its system. It will now be factored into all future reports and calculations, as if you had been using Wave all along. This means when year-end rolls around, generating those W-2s will be a breeze, and all the numbers will be there, accurate and ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully imported your prior payroll history into Wave. It's a simple process that saves you from a massive headache later on. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.